Got to turn around. I say we take it for a little ride. Yeah, doggy. Okay guys, so we're actually at the Home Depot today repairing this John Deere S160. Now the problem with this is, as you can see here, the blade started hitting the deck. So we're going to take the deck off and see what the problem is. So let's get into doing that right now. As always, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. And like I said, we're at the Home Depot today because I got them on a contract now, and we're repairing this John Deere. So let's remove that deck. Now to remove it, we got just some basic clips. We got one there, one on the other side, one there, one on the other side, and one in the front. So I'm going to back you up and remove this and take a look and see. Oh, I can see already. I think that pulley right there is busted. Well, we'll see when we pull it all off. Yes, they are bent on the newer machines. So I knew that was a thing. These are all same thing, S160. But yes, it was bent. Home Depot, baby. That's what I wanted to check. I noticed on the S120s they're straight, but on this one they do have a bend up. That's all I was checking. So what we're gonna do is get rid of those clips. One. Two. This last one right there. I should pull this out. Now the belt. Now the belt. There we go. Put it up on the side and see what it looks like. See what happened. Wow, oh wow guys, so in reality none of these are timed. They'll never hit. So this ain't timed. Spinny, but this one is not spinning because it's hit. I mean, it spins fine, doesn't hit anywhere else except right there. So I hate to say it, I think they used that as a step or something and just caved it in a bit. So what I want to see, I'm put you up on the stand here. Okay, there we go. We're gonna finish banging this now. Okay, it's still tapping just a hair. Still tapping just a hair, but as you see, at least it spins again. So we're getting pretty close. I think we just gotta keep tapping it some more and bend that back out. So what I think happened is something got clogged up, or you can see right here where it's been wore. I think it might have just bent that, and then they went to activate it and sliced it up. So I think that's what happened. They bent the deck originally, and now it's just sliced up. Hopefully they didn't share the flywheel key, so we're going to try to run it after this and make sure it runs. There we go. No tapping at all now. So I say we put it back on and make sure these blades spin. Okay guys, let's slap this deck back on now that these blades are all spinning fine. And fire her up and see if she runs. I think that sounds like a plan. Now I thought it looked bent down here, but I guess that's the way it's made. So all we gotta do is slide it back under. I put the belt back on first. Then I put this adjustment lever on. Got a general idea of where it's supposed to be. You just come up here and line up the holes. Maybe. There we go. Okay. I don't know, that belt does look bent. There we go. I got it back in. I'll show you. Right there. There we go. So now we got to put this one back in. This one hangs up. Somewhere. This one goes in here. There it goes. It hangs up right here. Up on this. Hangs up like that. And then goes down onto that. Something should lower that. Let me see. Lowered it. Now I can put this one on. And I only got to do some slight lifting here. Or maybe I should put this one in first. There we go. Now I only got to do some slight lifting. There we go. Now we put the cotter pins back in. We got one here. I'll show them to you as soon as I'm done here. Keep thinking that pulley's bent. Could be bent. I'm at the Home Depot, so I can go look at the one up there. Okay, let me show you. Cotter pin right there. That links up to right there. Cotter pin right there. That goes to the deck. Got one more and two on the other side, so I'm gonna do those and get back to you. Okay, guys, moment of truth. We'll add some fuel that the Home Depot gave me. I like this system here. I don't think their small engine shop uses ethanol free. This just says regular. There's fuel. Now let's see if she fires. Okay. Choke. There we go, guys. Got to turn around. I say we take it for a little ride. A little ride around the Home Depot. Oh, whoops. Forgot to check. They had this safety switch in here. Pull out, push around and not use, push in to drive. Back and reverse right there. Right here, make sure the mower blades work again. Working fine. It's a good lawn tractor here. Chug-a-lug-a-lug-a-lug-a-lug-a-lug-a-lug. Hell yeah, boys. Hell yeah. Guess we should park it back where we got it. It's the right thing to do. Oh, look at that. I don't even mow lawns and I'm a professional lawn tractor driver. So now we'll go ahead and turn it off. We'll go ahead and re-engage that switch. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate everything you guys do for me. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. More lawn tractors coming your way. I'm gonna show you guys this thing one more time and then I'm gonna head off. There it is, guys, the John Deere S160. Had some messed up blades up here. Right there. It was all caught up and turned. That's not gonna hurt nothing. There it is. So thank you guys again for watching. I'm leaving the Home Depot now. Until next time.